Ever stared at your online shopping cart, heart pounding with excitement, only to freeze when it comes to payment? You're not alone. Online payments can be a maze, but what if there was a way to make it as smooth as ordering your favorite meal? That's where FavePay comes in. Imagine paying for that new pair of sneakers or that weekend getaway without reaching for your card. Intrigued? Let's dive into the world of cashless convenience. First things first, what is FavePay? It's your digital wallet, a place where your money hangs out, ready for a shopping spree. Think of it as a supercharged version of your physical wallet, but without the bulk. Now, how do you load it up? Easy peasy. You can link your bank account or card to your FavePay wallet. It's like transferring money between friends, except it's your money moving to your digital home. Alright, wallet loaded. Let's shop. You're on your favorite online store, heart racing as you click checkout. When it comes to payment, look for the FavePay option. It's usually a logo or a button. Click on it, and you're halfway there. The next step might vary slightly depending on the store, but generally, you will be redirected to the Fave app. This is where the magic happens. You'll see the transaction details, the amount, the store, and a big, bold Pay Now button. Hit that button, and voila! Your purchase is complete. No more card numbers, no more CVVs. Just a quick tap and you're done. But wait, there's more. FavePay isn't just about convenience. It's also about rewards. Every time you use FavePay, you earn points. These points can be redeemed for discounts, vouchers, and even freebies. It's like getting paid to pay. Security, you ask? FavePay takes it seriously. Your money is safeguarded with the latest encryption technology. It's like having a personal bodyguard for your cash. So, the next time you're ready to hit that Buy Now button, remember FavePay. It's your ticket to a seamless, reward-filled shopping experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.